I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal on your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Open the Paramount Plus app. Launch the Paramount Plus app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to manage. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the Account Settings option, usually located in the top right corner. This will take you to your account details. Step 3. Manage Subscription. Look for the section labeled Subscription or Manage Subscription. This is where you can view your current plan and renewal settings. Step 4. Disable Auto Renewal. Find the toggle or checkbox for auto renewal and switch it off. This will prevent your subscription from renewing automatically at the end of the billing cycle. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you don't see the option to manage your subscription, it might be because you subscribe through a third-party service like Apple or Google Play. In that case, you'll need to manage your subscription through the service instead. I hope this helps you manage your Paramount Plus subscription easily.